Hi friends, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. I had been craving for a chocolate cake since long time and I didn't want to go through a lot of hard work, get this and do this and measure this. So I made this simplest yet so delicious and decadent chocolate cake. It's got nothing less than 4 ingredients: eggs, chocolate, butter and sweetener. That's it. And trust me, it was so delicious and it's got only 1 gram carbohydrate per piece. Please do give it a try to this recipe. Trust me, you won't regret it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's start making the chocolate cake. First of all, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, here I'm taking low carb dark chocolate. This was the lowest carb chocolate I could find in supermarket around me, but if you can find something which is even more lower in carb, nothing like it. Now I'm breaking this into pieces so that it melts down evenly. By the way, dark chocolate is not only tasty but it's highly nutritious. It has lots and lots of antioxidants. It helps in your cholesterol level. It improves your skin, improves your brain function. So we have even more reason to eat chocolate now. Now I am adding 100 grams of butter to this. Microwave this until it's melted completely. Do not microwave this at one go, otherwise you will end up burning the chocolate. Once it's melted, stir until it's well combined. Now here I am taking 7 eggs. Crack open 7 eggs. Now you can add your sweetener. Here I am adding half a cup of sweetener. You can adjust the quantity of your sweetener as per taste of your dark chocolate. And start whisking it with the help of hand blender. Now I would recommend to use hand blender and not do this by your hand because we want nice frothy eggs so that it helps to rise the cake. And trust me, there is no eggy taste in this chocolate cake in spite of adding 7 whole eggs. Now start combining chocolate mixture with egg and sugar mixture. Do not add them at one go, otherwise you will end up deflating the eggs. Once it has mixed properly, transfer this mixture to a baking tin. I've already greased the baking tin with butter. And bake them at 180 degree for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you may feel the center is still jiggly, but don't worry, once the cake is cooled down, it will set properly. I've garnished my cake with some powdered sugar. Now just look at the cake, how nice and fudgy it is. I'm definitely sure you're going to love it. Enjoy.